Manus AI is a powerful new technology. It is changing the way businesses work. Manus AI automates tasks, making businesses more efficient. Workflow automation is important for businesses. It helps them save time and money. Manus AI is a leader in this field and offers many benefits. Businesses of all sizes can use Manus AI. It is easy to use and can be customized. Manus AI is a game changer for businesses, helping them to achieve more. Manus AI uses algorithms to automate tasks. Algorithms are sets of rules that computers follow to solve problems. Manus AI's algorithms are very advanced. They can learn and adapt. These algorithms can process lots of data and identify patterns. This helps Manus AI to automate complex tasks. Businesses can automate many tasks with Manus AI, including data entry, customer service, and financial analysis. By automating these tasks, businesses free up their employees, allowing them to focus on more creative and strategic work. This helps businesses to be more successful. Manus AI uses machine learning, a powerful type of artificial intelligence. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data without the need for explicit programming. This means that Manus AI can constantly improve, learning from new data and feedback. Data analysis is another key feature of Manus AI. It can analyze large amounts of data, identifying trends and patterns. This helps businesses to make better decisions. For example, Manus AI can help businesses to improve their marketing campaigns and develop new products. Section 4. Manus AI in action real-world applications across industries. Manus AI is being used by businesses in many industries. This includes healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. In healthcare, Manus AI is being used to automate administrative tasks. It is also being used to develop new treatments. In finance, Manus AI is used to detect fraud. It can also be used to provide personalized financial advice. In manufacturing, Manus AI is used to optimize production processes. These are just a few examples. Manus AI is a versatile tool that can be used to solve a wide range of business problems. Section 5. Transforming work, enhanced productivity and efficiency. Manus AI is transforming the way we work. By integrating advanced AI technologies into everyday tasks, it is revolutionizing business operations. It is helping businesses to be more productive and efficient. With real-time data analysis and automation, companies can streamline their workflows. By automating tasks, Manus AI frees up employees from mundane and repetitive work. This allows them to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. Employees can then focus on more important work. This shift not only enhances job satisfaction but also drives innovation within the company. This leads to increased productivity and efficiency. Businesses can achieve more in less time, optimizing their resources and maximizing output. Manus AI can also help businesses to improve their customer service. By leveraging AI tools, companies can provide faster and more accurate responses to customer inquiries. It can do this by automating customer support tasks. This ensures that customers receive timely assistance, enhancing their overall experience. Manus AI can also help businesses to make better decisions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, it provides valuable insights that guide strategic planning. It does this by providing them with insights from data. These insights can identify trends, predict outcomes, and suggest optimal courses of action. Overall, Manus AI is helping businesses to thrive in the digital age. By enhancing productivity, improving customer service, and enabling data-driven decisions, it is paving the way for a more efficient and innovative future. Section 6. The future of work. AI pioneering new possibilities. The future of work is being shaped by AI. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing decision-making processes, AI is revolutionizing how we approach our daily work. Manus AI is at the forefront of this revolution. By developing cutting-edge AI solutions, Manus AI is enabling businesses to operate more efficiently and effectively. As AI technology continues to develop, Manus AI will become even more powerful. The advancements in AI algorithms and machine learning models are paving the way for unprecedented capabilities. It will be able to automate even more complex tasks. This includes everything from data analysis to predictive maintenance, allowing companies to save time and resources. This will free up employees to focus on even more creative and strategic work. With routine tasks handled by AI, human workers can dedicate their time to innovation and problem solving. AI will also create new jobs. These roles will span across various sectors, requiring a blend of technical skills and creative thinking. These jobs will require people who can work with and alongside AI systems. Collaboration between humans and AI will be key to unlocking the full potential of this technology. It is important to embrace AI and the opportunities it brings. Businesses that adapt to AI will be better positioned to thrive in the future economy. Manus AI is helping to create a future of work that is more productive, efficient, and rewarding. By leveraging AI, we can build a workplace that not only meets the demands of today, but also anticipates the challenges of tomorrow. Section 7. Embrace the AI revolution, Manus AI and beyond. AI is transforming the world around us. From the way we work to how we interact with technology, AI is making a significant impact. It is not just a trend, it is a revolution that is here to stay. The integration of AI into various sectors is creating new opportunities and challenges, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Manus AI is a powerful example of this transformation. It stands at the forefront of this revolution, offering innovative solutions that are reshaping industries. By leveraging the capabilities of Manus AI, businesses can streamline their operations and enhance their efficiency. It is helping businesses to automate their workflows, improve their productivity, and make better decisions. With Manus AI, companies can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, leading to more informed decision-making processes. The future of work is being shaped by AI. As AI continues to evolve, it will bring about even more profound changes in the workplace. Employees will be able to focus on more creative and strategic tasks while AI handles routine and repetitive activities. It is important to embrace this technology and the opportunities it presents. By doing so, we can stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in an increasingly digital world. The potential of AI is vast, and its applications are only limited by our imagination. By embracing AI, we can create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. AI has the power to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from healthcare to climate change and beyond. Manus AI is a powerful tool that can help businesses to succeed. It provides the insights and capabilities needed to drive growth and innovation. With Manus AI, companies can unlock new levels of performance and achieve their strategic goals. By embracing Manus AI and the power of AI, we can unlock new possibilities. The future is bright with AI, and Manus AI is leading the way. Together, we can harness the power of AI to create a world of endless possibilities and opportunities.